Hello, in this video we will be creating a custom agent in Notion that would basically take specific events that are scheduled in my calendar and move them or create database entries for them in a database in Notion. So basically what this means is, let's say I have certain meetings that are being scheduled on daily basis, and instead of me doing that manually, which I was doing this before, I will have this set up so that whenever the meeting is scheduled, it will come directly to, it will be inserted directly to my database of meetings where I actually do the work of collaborating with others or just tracking my meetings. So this this is it. I mean, this is what it looks like. But yeah, I will show you how we can do that. So we can just go to the agent in here. We can create a new one from here, and then you can describe what you want, and then the AI will do it for you. So basically, you don't even need skills for that. So let's say I will ask us to create an agent that monitors my calendar and filters out only events containing the word expert in the subject line and move them to a database. Move them to a database in Notion. Create the database under the name sessions or expert sessions. Perfect. Here we go. Now I will send this instruction, which is very basic for now, and you watch the magic happen. So it's working in the back end, and you will have this settings page in front of you. This is very important. You always have to check what the AI did. Okay, it's working. I have to wait. I cannot touch this unless the AI finishes. Otherwise, we will be doing duplicate work in parallel, which I don't want to do. Okay. It even creates the instructions page for the agent. Perfect. I will still wait till it really finishes, and here we go. Perfect, all set. I've created your expert sessions logger agent. Here's what I built. Now it explains to you what it built. First, it created the sessions database, which I asked for it to be named expert sessions, and then it created the instructions page. Perfect. The agent automatically monitors for calendar, your default Notion calendar, and captures any event with experts in the subject line. The triggers runs automatically whenever calendar events are created. By the way, you will have to connect. If you see here, let me go back in the settings. You will see that we have so many triggers. We have when the agent is mentioned. This will happen when the agent is mentioned. I don't want this. And we have when you start a chat with the agent, it will also complete the action. And whenever let me see, event is created, I want to activate this. Whenever the event is created in my calendar, I want this activated. And then whenever the event is updated in calendar also. So this is what's going to happen. Now if you click in here, you will see that these are your options. You will have to connect for the first time. Of course, you will have to connect your calendar. I will choose event created, and then since I already have it connected, it's showing me all my emails. But of course, for the first time, you have to connect it. It's actually working with it says that it's working also with Apple, Google Meet, and Notion calendar. So yeah, I haven't tested Apple yet, but it's worth trying since I see the logo here. And all of this is in the business plan of Notion. You can also monitor emails if you don't want to monitor events. Yeah, these are the triggers available right now. We have also Slack and Notion. And yeah, so this is it. Now the instructions are already set up. Basically, everything I talked about is in the instructions. How to log it. It's going to take the start date, the end dates, the subject line. You can customize this for sure. Because now, if you notice here, now it's not going to take the actual content of the event, which is the notes. So you can even add in here another content property and ask it to log in the meeting notes, additional notes, or just meeting notes, or you can be as specific as you want if it doesn't work like this. And then if the event is cancelled, set status to cancelled. So this is really automating the full process. Now you should deactivate the web access. We don't want that. And yeah, so the database is here. Everything is set up. If you want to add another calendar, you can connect it from here. You can also add more connections, which are in here. These are the available connections right now. Yeah, this is very good. Yeah, so you can choose also the model that will be doing or performing the actions. It's automatic in here, but I'm not even using it, so. And then you click on save. Once saved, this will start working. And you will notice that once saved, if you go back to the actual page of the agent, which is this one, you will be able to see the actions that recently happened with this agent in here. Yeah, so I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, let me know.